In this video, I'm going to share the best personality tests for the workplace, the insights each assessment can provide, and why they are so beneficial. Workplace personality assessments are tools. They can help individuals and teams understand one another, share a common language, and collaborate more effectively to achieve desired outcomes. Here are 5 of our favorite personality assessments to use in the workplace: 16 types, DISC, Enneagram, strengths-based assessments, and VIA. Now, let's briefly break each one of these down and take a look at how they can impact your organization. Starting with 16 types. The 16 types assessment is based on the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, which measures mental habits and decision-making engines. It can be invaluable for understanding how individuals consume information, learn, and reach conclusions. When leaders and individuals are aware of these behaviors, fostering buy-in, minimizing communication, and building trust within your team can become much easier. Next is DISC. DISC is a quick and easy to remember assessment that measures 4 traits: dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. By observing your team's communication styles and approach to work, you can better understand their needs and motivations. Leaders and teammates who use DISC can quickly adjust their approach based on their understanding of each other's profile to improve collaboration and productivity. Third is the Enneagram. The Enneagram is a versatile assessment that can serve as a lens for understanding a person's driving motivations. By identifying these drivers, you can comprehend why individuals behave differently when pursuing the same goals or facing the same challenges. The Enneagram also provides unique insight into group dynamics, decision-making, and conflict resolution, making it a powerful tool for promoting teamwork. Next are strength-based assessments. Strength-based assessments like CliftonStrengths Finders, StrengthScope, or VIA can help individuals tap into their innate talents and abilities. Leaders who help employees recognize their strengths can inspire more engagement within their work by activating and developing these strengths. Leveraging the strengths of an entire team can create an environment that fosters a high-performing and engaged workforce. The VIA, or VIA, which stands for Values in Action, is a strengths assessment tool that measures an individual's character strengths. It focuses on 24 character strengths organized under 6 virtues: wisdom, courage, humanity, justice, temperance, and transcendence. You can create a more positive and strength-based team by identifying and leveraging individual character strengths, by supporting employees and using the unique qualities to contribute to the organization's success. When teammates understand and appreciate their colleagues' unique abilities, they are more likely to support and complement one another. This understanding can encourage a growth mindset as team members can learn from each other's strengths and work on their own weaknesses. Personality tests for employees are essential tools in the workplace, as they can reveal diverse aspects of individuals' character, work preferences, and motivations. Leveraging personality tests for employees is a powerful way to unlock your team's full potential and to create a thriving culture. Use the link in the description to learn more about how Cloverleaf can turn leading personality and strength-based assessments into actionable coaching inside your organization. And if you're still curious about why you may want to use personality tests in the workplace, watch this video about the power of automated coaching for learning and development in the workplace.